Hi, I'm Brent. Today we've got another video update on the Ford Focus RS, and the good one on this particular car, it's another car that we've done with zero mechanical modification. Well, actually this one's got a blow off valve, but we can talk about that later. Zero mechanical modifications, and it truly shows what the factory engine ECU is capable of using race-rom technology. So let's go over to the Dyno Graph and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about, and we can point out the differences of what the car came in. So it's a bit hard because of the background colour, but blue is torque on the left-hand side, which is Newton meters measured at the front wheels on the hubs. And you can see here, this blue line here is the original factory torque. So peak torque is around 450 Newton meters. The improvement in torque, you see this nice, smooth, solid blue line, is a substantial improvement in the power, well, torque, we'll talk about power in a minute, which now goes up to 525. So that increase there, 2100 RPM measured up to 6,500 RPM, but in between 2000 RPM and 4000 RPM is this huge increase in torque just with a custom factory ECU tune. Now what you'll notice here in the green line, which is green at the bottom, the light green line is the original factory power measured at the wheel hubs on our Dynapack dyno, and this solid green smooth line here is the net increase in power that we've gained, again, with just the factory ECU custom tune. So if you're looking for a reliable way with peace of mind knowing this is an example of the detuned allowance that Ford in their global product has in this particular model, because of course here in Australia we've got reasonable quality fuel running on 98, but this car may be driven somewhere else in the world on a lesser quality fuel. So manufacturers typically detune the car to have that scope up their sleeve, and of course in the future when they want to release a car with more power, they can deliver more power. Interestingly, make sure you check out our other video about why the front mount intercooler on the factory car is blanked off, because this particular car, we ran it with the blanking plate in place because the owner wanted to have the car 100% mechanically stock standard other than the blow off valve. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, check out our new website, mrttuned.com.au, and of course you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe to this channel and share it, and of course make some comments. We'd love to hear from you. But no matter where you are in the world, if you want to tune, you can contact us anywhere in Australia for a custom tune through our partner network. But in the meantime, my name is Brent Middleton. Thanks for watching.